हाय फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका अपने इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर वन एंड ओनली फार्मेसी। दोस्तों, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखने जा रहे हैं ड्रग स्टोर एंड बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट यूनिट नंबर सेकंड, फॉर्म्स ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम। Business. What is business? Business means any activity that keeps a person busy. Business means any activity that keeps a person busy. Business, in its wider sense, includes individuals and a group of activities directed towards earning money and acquiring wealth through a production and exchange of goods or services. Through a production and exchange of goods or services. It includes industry as well as commerce. All those activities in the fields of trade, manufacturing, transport, banking, warehousing, insurance, packaging, advertising, etc., whether undertaken by an individual or a group of individuals with the objective of or earning profits. Business includes which activities includes business, trade, manufacturing, transport, banking, warehousing, insurance, packaging, advertising, etc. The main aim of doing any business is to earn profit. What is the main aim of business is to earn profit. There are five distinct forms of business organization. First one, sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, cooperative society, and joint Hindu family. In this chapter, in this video, we are detailed study about sole proprietorship and partnership. Let's see sole proprietorship. What is sole proprietorship? Sole means one, only one, means solely responsible. It is the simplest form of business organizations and is known as one man business. What is the other name of sole proprietorship? Is known as one man business. In this form of business organizations, one person is solely responsible for providing capital, means investment, for bearing the risk of enterprise, and also for day-to-day management of the business. In this business, only one person is the owner of the business. Salient features of sole proprietorship. Sole proprietor has full authority over the affair of business. He has to act according to his skill and ability. The ownership lies with only one person only, means one man business. No legal formalities are required to start a business except in certain business. Which business? A starter drugstore, a license is needed. Other businesses does not require any license or legal formalities. The proprietor has to arrange the necessary capital and asset which are essential to run its business smoothly. The profit and losses are also to be borne by him. Advantages of sole proprietorship. It is most easily form of all forms of business organizations. Such a no legal formalities are necessary for setting up this type of business. The secrecy of the business affairs can be maintained क्योंकि इस बिजनेस में ओनली वन पर्सन इज ओनर रहता है बिजनेस का, मीन्स सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. नो अदर पार्टनर्स आर अवेलेबल इन दिस टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस, means the secrecy of business is maintained. The sole proprietor is free to change the pattern of management at any time because no other partners are included in this business. The capital investment in the business can be increased or decreased at will. Whether sole proprietor is on increase his business, he also increases investment, and he wants to decrease the profit, he also decreases investment. The sole proprietor is free to take any decision in regard to all matters concerning in business. These are the some advantages of sole proprietorship business or organizations. Let's see disadvantages of sole proprietorship. The individual proprietor generally suffers due to lack of adequate financial resources. It is very difficult for a single person to look every aspect of the business. Example, production, sale, finance, advertising, accounting. In sole proprietorship, only one person is the owner of the business. What they see, production saying, sales saying, finance, advertising, hot. The business ends with the death of proprietor. इस बिजनेस में ओनली वन पर्सन ओनर रहता है बिजनेस का. अगर वो उसकी डेथ हो गई तो ऑलरेडी बिजनेस की भी डेथ हो जाएगी, मीन्स बिजनेस इज एंड्स. द सोल प्रोपराइटर यूजुअली रन हिज बिजनेस ओनली ऑन स्मॉल स्केल. इन सोल प्रोपराइटर में बिजनेस जनरली स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज रहते हैं बिकॉज नो ह्यूज इन्वेस्टमेंट आर प्रोवाइडेड वन मैन. There are no checks and controls on the sole proprietor. These are the disadvantages of sole proprietorship. Second main part, partnership business organization. What is partnership? The Indian Partnership Act defines partnership as a relation between. The Indian Partnership Act defines partnership is a relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Let's see once again. Partnership is a relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. The persons who have entered into partnership are individually known as a partners and collectively as a partnership. The business organization runs as a partnership is called a firm. Generally, in question paper, ask the question, define partnership and define firm. What is firm? The business organization runs as a partnership is called a firm. Salient features of partnership. In partnership business, in partnership business organization, two or more persons up to a maximum of 20 10 in case of banking firm join together to share any profit made by the firm. पार्टनरशिप में क्या होता है, कम से कम ज़्यादातर ज़्यादा 20 लोग मीन्स 20 पार्टनर्स आर हम अपने बिजनेस में डाल सकते हैं, ना कि 20 के आगे. इन 10 in case of banking firm. Partnership is formed on the basis of an agreement between the concerned persons. The partnership agreement may be oral, written. The document containing the agreement is called the partnership deed. Sometimes ask question, define partnership deed. The document containing the agreement. The document containing the agreement is called the partnership deed. Any profit made by the partnership must be distributed among the partners in the agreed ratio, usually in proportion to the amount of capital investment by the each partner in the firm. A partner cannot transfer his shares to an outsider without the consent of the other partners. A partnership is dissolved automatically when the term for which the partnership was entered into expires on when other partner dies. If and when a partnership is dissolved, the firm does not. If when a partnership is dissolved, the firm does not because necessarily stand dissolved. It depends on the remaining partners whether to continue the firm. पार्टनरशिप में क्या होता है, अगर एक पार्टनर की डेथ भी हो गई, एक दो तीन पार्टनर की डेथ भी हो गई तो बिजनेस एंड नहीं होता अभी, क्योंकि अदर पार्टनर्स भी बिजनेस चलाने के लिए रहते हैं. बट सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में क्या होता है, ओनर एक ही रहता है, अगर उसकी डेथ हो गई तो बिजनेस चलाने के लिए कोई नहीं रहता, इसलिए उसके साथ उसकी डेथ के साथ उसकी बिजनेस की भी डेथ होती है. पर ऐसा पार्टनरशिप में नहीं होता है. पार्टनरशिप मीन्स more than two persons are present in the business or less than 20 or maximum 20. If the business becomes illegal, in case the court issues order that the firm will be dissolved. Advantages of partnership type of business organization. A partnership is quite easily formed. Any two or more legally competent persons may start a business on a partnership basis after executing an agreement between them, which may be oral, written, or implied. Decisions Decision to start a partnership organization is quite prompt since partners can meet as and when needed. Since there is an unlimited liability of the partners, it serves as an important security to creditors who lend money to the firm. Partnership advantages. For advantage, since any loss incurred by the firm is shared by all partners, it reduces the risk to the business as a whole. पार्टनरशिप में क्या होता है, अगर प्रॉफिट हो गया तो सब में बढ़ जाता है और लॉस भी हुआ तो सब में बढ़ जाता है, किसी एक के ऊपर उसके लॉस का बर्डन नहीं आता है, इसलिए पार्टनरशिप इज अ बेस्ट बिजनेस. द बिजनेस कैन बी एक्सपांडेड बाय एक्सटेंडिंग द पार्टनरशिप प्रोवाइडेड द नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स डज नॉट एक्सीड 20. अगर आपको बढ़ाना अगर आपको अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाना होगा तो आपके पार्टनर्स भी बढ़ाए. पार्टनर्स बढ़ाएंगे तो अल्टीमेटली आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ेगी तो आपकी कैपिटल बढ़ेगी और कैपिटल बढ़ेगी तो आपका बिजनेस बढ़ेगा तो आपकी प्रोडक्ट सेल्स होंगे ज़्यादा और सेल्स होंगे तो आपका प्रॉफिट भी बढ़ेगा अल्टीमेटली. अब पार्टनरशिप फर्म हैज़ लॉन्गर एग्जिस्टेंस बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑफ एनी ऑन पर्सन. पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए टिकते हैं क्योंकि ये किसी एक पर्सन पर डिपेंड नहीं रहते. Disadvantages of partnership. A dishonest or incompetent partners may land the firm in difficulties because his acts would also bind the firm and remaining partners. A partner who wants to withdraw his capital from the firm will not be able to do so unless all the other partners agree to it. There is a lack of stability in the business. Death, insolvency, or retirement of a partner may result in the dissolution of the partnership. A large scale business cannot generally be run on a partnership basis. Kinds of partners. There are six kinds of partners are present in the partners of firm, which are active or working partner, sleeping or inactive partner, nominal partner, a partner in profit only, secret partner, and minor partner. Let's see one by one. What is active or working partner? It is the main part of partnership. Means active. They are always active. He takes an active part in the management of the firm's business and bears an unlimited liability for the debts of the firm. Like other partners, our active partner also contributes capital to the firm. Sleeping or inactive partner. A sleeping partner does not take any active part in the management of the firm business. He, however, contributes capital and share the profit, losses of the firms, etc. His liability for the debts of the firm is unlimited, but it's an inactive partner. Nominal partner, he only lends his name to the firm as a partner. He, however, neither invests in capital nor claims any share in the profits of the business. Two, he does not take any part in the management of firm business. He bears unlimited liability for the debts incurred by them. Partners in profit only. The goal of this partner is only earn the profit. He invests his capital only with a view to earn a share in the profits of the firm and has no liability as regards to any losses suffered by the firm. Secret partner. A partner who does not want to fact his being a partner to be known to outsider is known as secret partner. However, his liability for the firm debts is unlimited. Secret partners partner मीन्स क्या कि वो सीक्रेसी में रहता है कि उसको ऐसा चाहिए होता है कि अदर लोगों को पता ना चले कि हम पार्टनरशिप में वर्क कर रहे हैं. Minor partner. A partner below the age of 18, being a minor, does not enjoy the rights of a full-fledged partner in a partnership firm since in the law he is not competent to contract. However, the Indian Partnership Act allows a minor to be admitted as a partner provided all other partners agree to it. Thank you guys to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel One and Only Pharmacy. तो दोस्तों फिर से देखते हैं फॉर स्टार्टिंग से व्हाट इज बिजनेस, काइंड्स ऑफ पार्टनर्स, और सेकेंड पार्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे दूंगा मैं. Business means any activity that keeps a person busy. Business in its wider sense includes individuals and a group of activities directed towards earning money and acquiring wealth through production and exchange of goods or services. A business, the main aim of doing any business is to earn profit. There are five distinct forms of business organizations. In this video, we are detailed study about sole proprietorship or partnership. And next part of this video, we discuss about joint stock company, what is joint stock company, cooperative society, joint Hindu family, etc. In sole proprietorship में सिर्फ one man is the owner of the business. It is the simplest form of business organization and is known as a one-man business. In this form of business organizations, one person is solely responsible for providing capital, for bearing the risk of the enterprises, and also for day-to-day management of the business. Salient feature: sole proprietor has full authority over the affair of business. He has to act according to his skill and ability. No legal formality is such required to start the business, except in certain cases. In just chemist and drugist shop, there is a license is required. Means legal formalities are required. Advantages of sole proprietorship, disadvantages of the sole proprietorship partnership. According to Indian Partnership Act defines partnership as a relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. The persons who have entered into partnership are individually known as a partners and collectively as a partnership. The business organization runs as a partnership is called a firm. Sometimes ask the MCQ how many maximum partners are allowed in partnership. The correct answer is 20, or in banking system only 10, or more than 2, or less than or maximum 20. द डॉक्यूमेंट कंटेनिंग द एग्रीमेंट इज कॉल्ड द पार्टनरशिप डीड। सो दोस्तों, ये वीडियो आपको कैसे लगा कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर पूछना, और आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना और मैं आपको उसका आंसर दे दूंगा। तो फ्रेंड्स, आप अगर इस चैनल पर नए हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए आपके फार्मेसी के लिए वीडियो के लिए। थैंक यू गाइस।